Thanks for watching. We're gonna make a fortune teller, or other kids have nicknamed it other things. I just heard that it was called a cootie catcher from my 8-year-old in school. But we're gonna start making one of these, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do. Take your flat piece of paper. Yeah. Take your flat piece of paper, and you're gonna fold one corner like this. Make sure that your points line up. And try to go as fast as I can for you guys, so you guys can hurry up and make this. So you're gonna crease that, like that. And you see this extra piece right here, you're gonna have to get rid of that. You can either use the scissors, or you can fold it. I'll show you guys a quick trick. You can fold it and crease your fingernails back and forth like that. And then you lick it. Lick it real slow so you don't cut your tongue. You can fold it back one more time, lick it again. That's how I used to cut paper when I was a kid. And then you just go like that and you bend it. And that cut that right there. Next, you're gonna open up your paper, fold it again like this. This is so easy to make. Even a 9-month-old could do it. Not even a 1-year-old. Just kidding.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, so then you do that, and then you fold these ends in right here. Stop, Mila. We're making a video. Fold it in like that. All 4 corners to the middle of the point. It does not take long. And then you could show all your friends in school how to do this, because they're gonna want one, or you're gonna have to make one for them. So maybe you could just show them the video. All right, pull that one up a little more. So then you do that. Then you flip it over so the paper's flat. Put this one in. All you're doing is going to the corner. Then you guys can color it when you're done. You can write fortune tellers on it. Tell somebody to pick one. I think that's what kids do with it. Crease your fingers. I'm using my fingernails to run across to make sure my points are nice and flat. Like that. Next, you're gonna take it, fold it inwards like that, run your fingernails on it. Again, you're smushing all the little angles. Open it up, fold the other way. Fingernails again. The reason you're running your fingernails so it can move easy. And this is about it, guys. Now you're going to open this part up and put your fingers in there. Once you play with it a little bit, it'll get broken into, meaning that it'll get a little bit worn and you can play with it. And that's it. That's how you make a fortune teller. And you do that, and then you put your fingers in there. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.